Where's your mom? At work? Oh yeah. You can do anything you want.
Ooh.
You just have to try.
I got him!
There he is! Grab me.
Oh my god, Dad! But it was the other guy! Wow!
Is that ever a nice fish you got, Madison?
Holy
Look at him, huh?
Put him in here! How kind is it?
This is a leverite.
Oh, a lever.
A what?
Leverite.
Oh,
We're
we had that?
gonna lever right there.
You, only if we had a lever thing, then we could keep that one. It's fishy. Nice fishy.
Nice fishy, isn't he? Yeah.
Oh,
Keep it coming.
Big. He is. Oh. Daddy, get him.
Look at him, Madison. He's almost as big as you are.
He will hurt me. My ears.
Nice walleye. Let's say he's leaking pretty good. What?
It's my fishy.
Yes, he is.
That fish.
It was Labor Day weekend, I was 17. I bought a Coke and some gasoline, and I drove out to the county fair. When I saw her for the first time, she was standing there in the ticket line, and it all started right then and there. Oh, sailor sky made a perfect sunset, and that's a day I'll never forget. I had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that mini skirt, skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks. She had a suntan line and red lipstick. I worked so hard for that first kiss, and a heart don't forget, something like that. It was 5 years later on a southbound plane. I was headed down to New Orleans to meet some friends of mine for Mardi Gras. When I heard a voice from the past coming from a few rows back, and when I looked, I couldn't believe just what I saw. She said, I bet you don't remember me. And I said, only every other memory. I had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. You were killing me in that mini skirt, skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks. You had a suntan line and red lipstick. I worked so hard for that first kiss, and a heart don't forget, something like that. Time can make a feeling fade, but the memory of the first love never fades away. I had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that mini skirt, skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks. She had a suntan line and red lipstick. I worked so hard for that first kiss, and a heart don't forget. No, a heart don't forget. I said, a heart don't forget, something like that. Oh, not something like that. control, but deep within your soul, you're losing it. You never took the time, assume that you're to blame. You think that you're insane, won't you spare me? I know the breakdown, everything is gonna shake now someday. I know the breakdown, tell me again, am I awake now? Maybe you can find the reason that no one else is living this way. Yeah, living this way. Lies. Your world is built around the faces of a clown. Voices in your head think there's 4 bonds down. But in this unity, fate is feminine. So you better check yourself before you check out. I know the breakdown, everything is gonna shake now someday. I know the breakdown, tell me again, am I awake now? Maybe you can find the reason that no one else is living this way.